learn how to find the nature of roots of a quadratic equations. Let us take a quadratic equations ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b are the coefficient of x square and x respectively, and c is the constant. Now, how to find the nature of the roots? First of all, we have to find the discriminant. Discriminant usually we write by d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Now, if we take any example, like let us take x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 4. Now, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, put this value here. Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4. That is 4 minus 16, that is minus 12. That is less than 0. Therefore, roots are imaginary. Okay. Now, if we take plate another equation, x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Then, comparing with same process, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. Therefore, discriminant is equal to d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. That is, roots are real and equal. Third case is, if we take x square 2x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Then same process, comparing with ax square, capital also you can write, plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 2. Therefore, discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 2, that is 9 plus 60, that is 25, which is greater than 0. There, that is, roots are real and distinct.